I mean, can we get into her? Okay?
What's up, y'all? It's Kenzie Kens, and I am back again trying all the natural hair products so you don't have to, okay? Today we are trying the Pattern Beauty Stylers from Miss Tracee Ellis Ross, and I tried a wash and go and a 3-strand twist out for you guys, okay, to give you all the tea. I know I'm late to the party, but better late than never, so if you're interested in my thoughts, keep on watching.
Alright, so let's jump into these stylers. I bought 4, as you can see, and I bought them with my own money, and they were each $25. So yeah, they were expensive and we have high expectations. So first up we have the leave-in conditioner, which you guys know was in the first launch, and then I have the styling cream, the stronghold gel, and then lastly I got the curl gel. So these are the 4 products I got, and I'm going to try to use these in a few different ways for you guys, just so we can really try them out and try to give Pattern a real chance, because not gonna lie, a lot of the reviews on Pattern are mixed. Like, some people hate them, some people love them, so you know, I'm really excited to see how I'm gonna feel. It's so hot in here. Okay, so first up, I'm gonna go in with the styling cream, and I wanna use this for a 3-strand twist out. I do already have an in-depth video on my 3-strand twist out method that I really recommend you check out. Okay, so let's crack her open, and this is what the cream is looking like. So, first thing right off the bat, she's thick. She is really thick. You guys know I love a good thick product for my thick hair. Has that same light, pleasant floral scent. If you don't like floral scents, you probably won't care for this. Wow, it feels really buttery, really nice in the hands. I actually really like the way this feels on the hair. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more. And focusing on my ends. Okay, yes. Yes ma'am. I like how this feels. I already have some bomb curl definition just from applying this cream alone. I'm feeling optimistic so far, guys. Definitely feeling optimistic. I mean, that's just beautiful. But for now, I'm probably just gonna either speed through this footage or just come back when my hair is fully twisted, and we'll go from there. So it's been 2 days since I installed these twists, and I feel like they held up really well. My only complaint is that I do feel like they could be a little shinier. They do seem a tad bit dull. Before I take them down, I'm going to go in with some of my oil. This is the African Royale Hot Six Oil. Pattern Beauty does offer some jojoba oils and argan oils maybe, I'm not sure. But they were too expensive. Okay, $25 for some oil. Your girl could not bring herself. I couldn't bring myself to do that. So, decent definition, and definitely feels very soft, still feels moisturized. Y'all, Miss Tracee, she did that. Like, this styling cream, I am a fan of. This twist out is really giving me life. I mean, look, it's just super bouncy, and I didn't pick yet. Let me go ahead and just pick her out. Let's see what we can do. I don't want to disturb the curls too much though, because I do feel like my definition is nice. Okay, y'all, so I know we're not done. I still have to try these Pattern styling products with my wash and go, but this twist out though, okay? My hair feels so soft. It is defined. My ends have that nice little spiral coil. Okay, she gave me what I needed. You guys know I love it. Ooh, that was loud. You guys know I love a thick cream, and she is thick. A little goes a very long way with this. If you have finer hair than me, you're really only going to want to use a pinch at a time, trust me. But yeah, I'm super excited now to try the rest of these products. Okay guys, so it is officially day 5 of that same 3-strand twist out using the Pattern Beauty styling cream, and For day 5, I think this looks pretty damn good. Like, this definition, especially in my ends, it held up. And I did work out, I think, 2 times in that 5-day period. I didn't retwist anything. I did not rehydrate. I didn't do anything. The only thing I did do yesterday, day 4, was I added a little bit of oil just to add some shine because your girl was looking a little dull. Now, she got some frizz going on, especially in these roots, but it's day 5, so I didn't expect anything other than that. It's not as hydrated as it was earlier in the week, but that's to be expected as well. But it does not feel dry, and my hair is not like thirsty. Styling cream had me. You had me in the first round, Pattern Beauty. Now let's see if we can keep this up, okay?
Okay, y'all, so we moving right along to a wash and go. Again, I am using the styling cream as the base, and I'm not going to talk about this because we already did that. So again, just applying this as my moisture base, and for some reason I lost the clip of me opening up the styling gel, my first impression, so just know that that's what I'm going in with next, and yeah, stay tuned.
Okay, so I definitely feel my hair stretching out. This does have a good bit of weight to it. Like, let's see. Yeah, it has some weight to it. It's definitely stretching my curls out, which I feel like tells me that it does have a good amount of hold. So, going back in with another subsection, more gel. Right off the bat, my first impression is that this is definitely more of a heavy-duty gel than I've been using lately. You guys know I've been using like a lot of curling custards and like those types of gel products, and this is not that. This is a weigh your hair down, define them curls gel. That being said, I'm looking for very minimal frizz. I should have curl clumping, which it seems like I do. So now that I know how it applies, I'm gonna go ahead, finish up my head. You guys know the drill. Fast forward through this part and I'll be back when I'm done. Alrighty, so this is what my hair is looking like, and to be honest, I'm really excited for these results, guys. However, I am a little nervous. I think that I may have used too much of that gel. Like I said, I've been using more lighter weight custard jelly types of gels, and this is a real like a thick one. She's thick, and I feel like I probably overdid it because I'm used to applying more. Hopefully, I'm really hoping, praying, fingers crossed that I don't get flaking. We won't know until my hair is dry, but just looking at it in its wet state, I mean, it is defined. Okay, not defined, defined, okay? I even coiled a few pieces here in the front. The other thing that I like is that my hair has some weight to it, is hanging lower, and that's because this is a thicker product. So, like I said, I am optimistic. My hair is super saturated right now, so I just want to let it air dry for as long as possible. I'll probably be back tomorrow with the reveal. And I am hype. I'm really hype. Can you tell? Day 2 hair. Well, technically this is the first full day that I'm wearing this wash and go, but I did wash my hair last night, so yesterday was day 1, today is day 2, and we are looking fly, guys. Last night I literally spent like 15 minutes in the mirror hyping myself and taking videos on my phone. This is, no lie, this is the best wash and go that I have had in a minute. And my wash and goes have been giving me a lot of trouble lately with matting, tangling. A lot has been going on. More on that in another video. I will be shooting a whole other video about my wash and go problems. But that being said, I am that much more excited about these results. It feels super soft to the touch. I don't know about strongholds. I know this is called the stronghold gel, and I wouldn't classify this as strong. I would say this is like a medium hold because the cast is already gone and I did not scrunch it out. I didn't diffuse. In terms of moisture, maybe not the most moisturizing wash and go I've ever had, but it's definitely not dry. It's not dry by any means. Soft. It feels very good. So if you like gel but you still want your hair to be touchable, you don't like a cast, I actually say go for the stronghold gel. Like, I am just really happy with these results, guys. Y'all can see I can't even keep my fingers on my damn hair. So yeah, I think I'm actually gonna leave the leave-in conditioner and the curl gel review for another video separate from this one. So all in all, this week I tried the styling cream and the stronghold gel, and I give thumbs up to both of them. If your hair likes thick, buttery products, if it needs some hold and some weight to it, you might want to try these out. Now again, $20 is a lot of dollars. Now $25. 25 actually. I mean, I have twisting creams in my collection that aren't $25, and I have styling gels that aren't $25. Would I make it a regular purchase? I don't know. Even just these two, if I wanted to repurchase them, that's $50 every time I go to buy them. $50, that's a lot. I don't know. However, the packaging is elite. My hair was bomb, and like I said, I haven't had a wash and go this good in a really long time, so I am impressed. And for now, I'm definitely gonna keep using these. So if you're the type of girl, natural hair products are your thing, that's what you like to splurge on, go for it. I say it's worth the try. I say it's worth the money. The styling products, at least. I don't know about that shampoo and conditioner. I'll probably just stay away from those. But for the stylers, I definitely think if you're curious enough, get them. Even if you just get the travel size, just get them, try them out. If you hate them, you know, it is what it is. But alright, so I think I talked enough on this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching again and following me, supporting me on all my social channels at Kenzie_Kens1. If you don't follow me, please join me. And if you're already a member of the Kenzie Camp, you guys know I love you and I appreciate all of the support. Please keep sending me DMs. Please keep sending me comments. So until the next one, guys. Bye.